Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you some incredibly easy wood fall DIY decor, and this video is also part of one collaboration that I'm so excited about. I'll talk to you about that a little bit later. Let's go ahead and get started. I saw this wall hanging from Big Lots. It's so beautiful. I knew I had to recreate it. It's not too expensive, but I knew I could recreate it for a less. So I got this a wood round from Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. I already used it, as you can tell, so I'm gonna redo it. So this actually came as just a wood round and not the beads I added from my previous project, so any wood round would work for this. I am using this Adirondack white chalk paint, and I am just distressing heavily this side. Now I'm taking plastic plate just to measure out, is this a good size for me to cut out this placemat from the Dollar Tree. This is just a portion of it. I already used it for a previous project. Now I'm tracing and cutting it out, and after that I am applying a hot glue to put it on in the middle of my wood round. After this was done, I'm gonna go ahead and get these words, or actually this word, welcome. It is a galvanized from the Dollar Tree, and these letters to spell out fall, they're wooden letters from the Dollar Tree as well. And I will paint this with the same chalk paint, white chalk paint. I'm actually just using a chippy brush and I'm dabbing it. I wanted some texture on it. After I was done, I am putting the word and the letters like I'm showing over here to create welcome fall. After that, I'm using a hot glue to attach it. Next, I am taking several strands of raffia, and I am going to just create a very simple shoe tying lace bow. It was a little bit challenging just because, you know, raffia is hard to work with, but at the end, it turned out pretty nice, and I do not mind that it's not perfect because it is, you know, it looks perfect as it is for me. If you would like something more, you know, nicer and neater, you can use ribbon or something like that. Now I'm using these, I believe they're called cattails from the Dollar Tree as well, and I am just putting one on each side and those leaves as well, and then I added a few more later on, and that's gonna be it for this project, guys. This was super easy and so affordable. I believe total less than $5 all this, and I think it looks gorgeous. What do you guys think? Alrighty, let's talk about purses. I believe every lady over here loves purses, but do you like to pay a lot for it? No, probably not. I am a budget girl, as you know, and when this company called Kid Life decided to send me a purse to showcase for you guys, I was more than happy to do that. So as you can see, it comes in a beautiful box, and then there is a gift bag as well as the bag to keep this purse in. And Kid Life actually is a company that produces replicas of all the luxury bags that you can imagine. And trust me, I tried several replicas, but this one is by far the best. Not only that looks exactly the same, but it smells, that leather, it is genuine leather, so it smells and feels amazing. So far the best. And you can see over here there's an imprint, or actually Gucci sign. Imprint on the inside pocket. So I chose this one because I like crossbody bags, so this is perfect for my style. Also, this can be carried as just a purse off of one shoulder, like I'm showing over here. So many different ways to carry this. I love this style. This is completely totally me. So you can just carry it as a little clutch, like so, underneath your armpit, or just hold it as it is. Really so many ways. They have on their website, I mean, a million bags that you can choose from. It was so hard for me to choose, but this is what I landed on. I'm gonna have links in the description box, as well as the pinned comment for this bag and their website, as well as the coupon code, so you can guys go ahead and check it out and pick a purse for yourself. Trust me, you will love it. This one is my favorite so far. Okay, DIY number 2. For this project, I'm going to be, I was inspired by this decor from Big Lots as well. I believe it's way bigger than what I'm going to be making, but like I said, I didn't recreate it. I just was inspired by it. So I took 22 of these Jenga blocks and I started putting 2 together as I'm showing over here with the hot glue, and then 2 on each side of this new created line, right? And then I'm going to put 2 on the bottom. So basically I am creating an H. And I'm going to keep adding and keep adding until I am done with creating this ladder. Super easy, and it was done fairly quick. If you would like something more sturdy, of course you can use a wood glue. I decided to use this because of the video purposes, but really it is pretty sturdy. Okay, now that I have this done, I will take this milk paint in a color, I think it's sand color, but really you can use any color that fits your decor. I usually don't do tan color and those brown colors, but since it's fall, I don't know, I love to incorporate these colors in my projects. Now I am taking these cork words, or cork letters, I'm sorry, that I previously already used, and they were a little bit damaged on the bottom, so I'm going to be repainting this with this gray paint. And but you can use any letters, really, even those wooden letters from the Dollar Tree, and I will position them inside of this letter. I'm using a hot glue to glue them in place. After I was done gluing it, I'm taking several strands of this colorful raffia, and then I am just wrapping several times around the top left corner and the bottom right corner that I already actually did, just like as an added detail. After that, I'm using the same cattails that I used previously. I'm cutting to the side and to the size, and I'm putting it in the top left corner, and on the bottom right corner I added a little bit of different picks. You will see in just a second what I chose to do. I added a little bit of hot glue just to keep it in place, and here it is. How cute is this? Don't you like this? I think it's so darling, and tell me in the comments down below, would you recreate this, and what do you think? As I said at the beginning of this video is part of the collaboration with this wonderful, amazing friend. Her name is JC, and her channel name is Crafting with JC. She is not only so gorgeous, she is sweet as can be, and so talented. I love her creations. She comes up with the most beautiful high-end decor, and all on a budget, and you would not believe it what she made things out of. So make sure to go ahead and check out the description box for her channel link. But if you're coming from her channel or just stopping by my channel, thank you so much for being here. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My channel is taking a little turn. I am going to change the name a little bit, and also my husband and I will start doing more DIY projects, furniture flips, thrift flips on this channel. There will be some changes, but I hope you will stop by. I will still do some home decor, and I will showcase that on my Instagram. So make sure to follow on both places, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you're new. It means so much to me. I'm, like I said, on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook, and I'll still be there even after these changes on YouTube. Now let's go ahead and start with DIY number 3. Again, from Big Lots, I saw this beautiful pumpkin. It is so cute. So I decided to recreate it. Like I said, it's not expensive. It was $8. It's Big Lots. It cannot be expensive. But I knew I could recreate it. So I already had this wood round on hand. And then I had this kind of a burlap that I cut out to this round size shape. Cut it to the size and put it right in the middle. If you have an old sweater, use that. That's definitely better. Now I have this leaf cut out, wood cut out, and I also have this portion of the wooden snake from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to be using as a stem. Now I'm going to use a baby wipe and apply antique wax on both of these to give it just a little difference in colors compared to everything else. This wood piece wood leaf is from Target Dollar Spot, and it has sticky backing, so I didn't have to use the hot glue. And I'm applying the stem with the hot glue. Then I'm using these colorful raffias like I used in my previous project, and I am just going to wrap it one time and then secure it with the hot glue. There was not enough space for me to really wrap it and not create a knot, so I just decided to use a hot glue to keep it in place. After I did that, I cut off the long tails just to the size that I wanted. And then after that, I'm taking just one strand of a regular raffia, and I am creating a small, cute little bow, and I will put it right on the front where the stem meets the pumpkin. After that, I am going to go ahead and take one Jenga block and put it on the back using a hot glue to be able to have this pumpkin stand up. And here it is. How cute is this? Perfect for tier tray or any shelf. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about these projects? Which one was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? As always, would you recreate it and would you change something? Make sure to go ahead and check out JC's channel and the link in a pinned comment for the purse. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.